Forces are not interested neither in peace nor in a purposeful activity which could lead to a peaceful settlement of the dispute on Jammu and Kashmir. This is how we look at it. We wanted to reach a particular spot and bring home to the authorities that it is not in the interest of the people of the subcontinent that blood is shed like water in streams, where innocent people falling to the bullets of the forces. This is what we object to, and object to with vehemence.
हिंदुस्तानी कातिल फौज कश्मीर से निकल जाओ, हिंदुस्तानी जालिम फौज कश्मीर से निकल जाओ। We want freedom.